I want to talk about a new function which we have created, and it's called prompt token count. So the reason why we created it and how you can use it to write better prompts and get better responses. So if you're not already aware, there is a parameter called response token. Response token basically helps you provide the amount of token which can be consumed for providing the response. Now, basically what that means is how much you want the response to be. Like if you want the response to be very small, provide this number to be very small. If you want the response to be very large, provide this number to be a large number. So now there is one problem with this. The problem is if you check out different models. So for example, the main by default we use Text DaVinci, which is the top model by GPT-3, and the maximum request tokens is 4,000. So let's say all the text you have, like for example, right now my prompt is like you are a Google Sheet expert and write a blog. It's a small one, and we have the top 10 tips that string and something. But in various cases, what will happen is you might be having a very large prompt, which is a very big piece of text. So you might get confused about how much you're already consuming with that input prompt. Because this limit you see of maximum request actually includes both the input and the output. Okay, so what basically ends up happening is if you provide the response token amount to be like, let's say 2000, but your provided prompt is more than 2000, in that case what will happen is it will show error. So how can we make sure that we don't provide that? For that we created this prompt token count. Whatever the prompt you're providing to Sheet AI, you can provide that same prompt to prompt token count, and it will tell you how much token it is going to consume. Okay, accordingly you can even provide this as a custom value. So for what I have done over here is I have provided the maximum value 4,000 because I'm using DaVinci. If I would go about using, let's say, Curie, Babbage or Ada, I'll provide 2048 as a token count. Now, once we have the token count provided, the maximum token count, what I did was I got the token count of the prompt I'm providing. And then I minus it like this, you can see C2 minus this one to end up getting the maximum response token I can use. Why did I want to use the biggest token? Because I'm writing a blog here and I want it to be as long as possible. To make sure of that, with different queries, I don't want to go with each query and see, okay, can I provide 2000? Can I provide 3000? Maybe I have a bigger prompt, maybe I am providing a lot of information, whatever. So yeah, go ahead, use prompt token count and let me know how you use it and if there is anything we can improve to that. And I'll see you in the next video.